Guys, it's time we have an honest conversation about Cardano. Is it finished? Is it over? It's having a hard time getting some momentum right now. People are so willing to invest in this project. Today, I want to take a look at 3 projects that could wipe Cardano off the map. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. And today we're going to be talking about Cardano. And I promise you, Cardano holders, you want to watch this video all the way until the very end. I don't think it's what you think it's going to be. Here's the issue, guys, with Cardano. A lot of people in the Cardano community prefer to be called the Cardano community. Some prefer to be called the ADA gang. If you prefer to be called the ADA gang, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Best way to start your crypto and maybe your ADA journey off right. Guys, there is something going on in the world of crypto right now that is chapping my cheeks, really irritating me. And here's the thing, guys. I'm going to reveal to you 3 Cardano competitors, 3 ADA competitors right now that I literally have news articles saying that these projects are going to take out Cardano, rival tokens to Cardano. But before we do that, I do want to mention, right now there are 2 types of Cardano articles that seem to be getting written. One is an article like this one right here, where the title is Cardano Price Prediction, Why ADA Bulls Need to Refuel Before $1. A lot of these TA videos and TA predictions and tweets and articles telling you to accumulate ADA. It's not a bad idea, in my opinion, to accumulate ADA, but these are really price hopium types of articles where they're saying price prediction, it could go here. And then, of course, in this article, it's talking about why you need to get so much under $1 to encourage you to feel great about the price being where it is. But that's not the scam we're going to be talking about today. And, one thing as we lead into this is the stuff that Bitcoin is going to try to fix. We have 4 pillars of adoption, policies and regulation, education. We also have public awareness, and then we have fair and transparent media. We do not have that in crypto at all. In fact, it's so embarrassing that it makes my skin crawl. It really does. It's so irritating that this is the quality. And if you're in the Cardano community, to see the way that your project is being used to pump and dump other projects, it should make you sick. And we should stand up to stuff like this. These are the exact types of things with Bitcoin that we're trying to fight. So here we go, guys. I'm about to give you the top 3 projects that are going to compete with Cardano and maybe wipe it off the map. Here we go. Cardano rival. Here's the story, guys. This is from cryptodaily.co.uk. Cardano, ADA, rival, valued just at a penny, predicted to surge 50x in 2024. This is from cryptodaily.co.uk. Now, let me tell you what this project is, guys. Here's the logo for it. Guys, please do not go buy these stupid coins. Pambo. The project is called Pandoshi, and the ticker is Pambo. And they have a DEX and a layer 2. It's coming for their incredible Cardano competitor here. And you read this article, and the entire thing is a ruse. It's using the Cardano name, using the ADA name, to pump some stupid meme coin. Some coin nobody cares about, nobody's even heard of. The next one we're going to look at here, this is from crypto.news. Cardano upgrades and Render releases Q4 2023 report adds 15,000 users. Sign up for Pulix pre-sale. Look at this, Pulix. It sounds like it's Pulixing its own. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Guys, I don't know what Pulix is. It may actually be, I don't know, maybe it is a good project. I have no idea. Also, guys, real quick, I didn't need to tell you guys about my sponsor. Their name is Stake. They have fun games. It's a social, wardrobe malfunction. Remember this, guys. Ben Armstrong Crypto X is powered by Stake. Look, I don't care what Pulix is. What I care about is you get an article that's about Cardano, an upgrade, which it's just an upgrade to their library client, or their client library. I don't even really know what it is, to be honest with you, but it's not a major upgrade, a major update, or anything like that, in my opinion, from what I've read. And they're using that clickbait to pull people in to talk about this pre-sale that people got into. Why? Because there's a stupid idea that when a lot of people get into a pre-sale, the price is going to go up. No. Guys, the pre-sale is the people getting all the money to sell to the people that are buying when the project launches. Guys, hardly ever are people going to make money with sales on launch pads, at least initially, because all the people in the background are always selling. And so I don't know what Pulix is. I have no idea. I don't care to know what it is, unless it's really great. And down the road, I guess we'll all figure it out. But next, we have another story here, guys. Another one, guys. This is from Coinpedia.org. Cardano holders accumulate rival token priced at 10 cents as ADA threatens to fall further. See, they make it sound like, and the project is Retik, R-E-T-I-K. I have no idea what it is. I think it may be a little more reputable than the other two, but it doesn't matter. The fact is what these articles are doing is they are using the Cardano name, think about this, guys. This is what you really need to think about Cardano community. When your price is down, and people are frustrated. I know there's people are frustrated with Cardano, frustrated with ADA, they're frustrated with XRP, frustrated with Ethereum, frustrated with several things. And when people get really frustrated about prices, what do? They lose hope. They start bailing on those projects and selling. And then that's usually what ends up making projects find bottoms, and they move up, and those people sacrifice so we can all make gains. Hey guys, also, if you want a long or short ADA, if you're into that kind of thing, into leverage trading, make sure to check out Phemex as our exclusive trading partner of the Armstrong Crypto X channel. It's the only exchange we trade with. Check it out. We also got a Palau ID you can get. You can trade with peace of mind, doing everything above board, just like I do. Link in the description, QR code on the screen. But the fact is that what these projects are trying to do with these titles is lure Cardano investors to sell their bags and get interested in these other projects. And it's disgusting. I want to be really honest with you guys. The first 4 articles I pulled up today, 3 of them were about rival Cardano tokens. How stupid. And then, of course, one of them was about the price. Accumulate under $1. It's a fine message. But it's really just written that way in order to get view, clicks or whatever. I do things for views, so I can't really, be too hard on them. But anyways, guys, this week, I really want to focus on the Cardano ecosystem because I'm really getting ready to move pretty hard into Meld. And no, that's not a shill. I've never talked to those people. It's not sponsored, blah, 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 blah. I don't even know if I hold any right now. But we wanted to lean on Meld to be our solution to start to debank completely for my company, for me personally, for everything. I'm in a situation where now I was able to actually get a real bank account. Because it looks like TJ sabotaged me the entire time, so I couldn't get one and lied to me, but it's a long story. The fact is that now I'm not in such a super rush, but I still am going to unbank completely. So we're going to be doing that, and Meld is going to play a big role in that. And we want to really dive deeper into the Cardano ecosystem in the coming weeks, because I think that these projects are going to do really well. Meld is one of my picks of the month, and so is Cardano. So is ADA. I think both these projects are going to do really well. Really excited about them. So you guys stay tuned this week if you're in the Cardano community or the ADA gang. We'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out. It helps us keep the lights on. Be blessed.